This is how to redeem a Standard Bank instant money voucher on the mobile app in South Africa. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Simply follow along and look for the same options. Start by opening the Standard Bank app and signing in. Once you're on the home screen, tap Transact. From there, select Pay. This is the section where instant money options are found. After that, choose Instant Money. This is where you can redeem an existing voucher. From here, select Redeem Instant Money. You'll now be asked to enter the voucher number, so take your time and enter it exactly as it appears on the voucher. Next, enter the PIN linked to the Instant Money voucher. This is the PIN that was created when the voucher was sent, not your card PIN. Once that's done, continue and review the details on screen. This step is just to make sure everything looks correct before you proceed. After you confirm, the app will process the redemption. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to complete a quick security step in the app before it finishes. When the process is complete, you'll see a confirmation message, and the money will be paid out based on the option you selected. If this helped you, remember to subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.